Welcome to MVP Auto, your premier destination for in-depth car reviews and analysis. I'm your host, and I'm excited to share with you our channel's mission to provide you with the most accurate and unbiased information about the latest cars on the market. At MVP Auto, we're passionate about cars and dedicated to helping you make informed decisions when it comes to purchasing your next vehicle. Our team of experts has years of experience in the automotive industry, and we're committed to providing you with the highest quality content. MVP Auto was founded on the principle of providing car enthusiasts with the information they need to make informed decisions. Our team has worked tirelessly to build a reputation as one of the most trusted sources of car reviews and analysis. Now, let's get started with today's review of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C6. The Corvette is a legendary sports car that's known for its impressive performance, sleek design, and advanced technology features. For the 2025 model year, Chevrolet has made some significant updates to the Corvette, including a new engine option and a range of advanced safety features. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C6 features a sleek and sporty exterior design, with a bold front grille and slim LED headlights. The interior is equally impressive, with premium materials and advanced technology features. The Corvette also offers a range of convenient features, including a power liftgate and a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C6 offers a range of engine options, including a 6.2-liter V8 engine and a new 5.5-liter V8 engine. The V8 engine produces 460 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque, making it a great option for drivers who want a little more power and performance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth car reviews and analysis. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscription link is in the description below. Please consider subscribing before the end of the video.